Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Today, we're diving into a product that's been creating some buzz in the mascara world, ModelCo's Lashxtend Tubing Mascara. If you're someone who's tired of mascara smudging or flaking throughout the day, keep watching. And hey, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews and beauty tips. ModelCo's Lashxtend Tubing Mascara promises to take your lashes to new heights with its innovative tubing technology. It's a bold claim, but can it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This mascara is all about giving you long, defined, and voluminous lashes without the hassle. Its unique tubing formula coats each lash in what I can only describe as tiny tubes of mascara that create length, volume, and definition from root to tip. What sets this apart is that these tubes are water-resistant and transfer-resistant, which means no smudging or flaking, even on those long, busy days. The formula itself is designed to separate and define each lash, and the applicator wand is crafted to help lengthen and volumize in one simple swipe. The glossy pigment delivers an intense lash effect, giving you the bold, falsy-style lashes we all crave without the need for extensions. Plus, ModelCo's commitment to cruelty-free beauty makes this a product we can all feel good about. Now, let's talk about my real-world testing experience. Incorporating this mascara into my routine was super easy. I've tried a few tubing mascaras before, but this one was different. No clumping, no flaking, and definitely no smudging by the end of the day. I was pleasantly surprised by how easily it coated my lashes, giving them both length and volume. The wand's bristles really help in separating lashes, which gave me that full, fanned-out look without any of the heaviness some mascaras can leave behind. On the downside, I did find the removal process a bit more time-consuming than regular mascaras. The tubing formula comes off with warm water and gentle pressure, which means you can say goodbye to harsh removers, but it did take a little longer to fully remove. If you're someone who needs a quick, no-fuss removal process, this might be something to consider. Is it worth the price? Absolutely. Considering how long it lasts without smudging or flaking, this mascara definitely delivers on its promise. For a high-quality product like this, it's hard to beat. Plus, with its unique tubing technology and the bold lash effect, you're getting a lot for your money. When compared to other mascaras on the market, it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, but it justifies that with its advanced formula and the all-day wearability it offers. If you're looking for a cheaper alternative, there are some great options out there, but none with quite the same technology. If you're serious about long-lasting lashes, this is one to try. I've been using this mascara for a few weeks now, and I've noticed no decrease in performance. The packaging feels sturdy and chic, and I haven't had any issues with the product drying out or becoming flaky. I'd say this has great longevity in both performance and product life. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. As for customer service, I haven't personally had to reach out to ModelCo, but based on their reputation as a cruelty-free, PETA-certified brand, I'd expect prompt and helpful support if you ever need it. In conclusion, ModelCo's Lashxtend Tubing Mascara is a standout product. It delivers on its promises of long-lasting, voluminous, and defined lashes without the mess of smudging or flaking. Its high price point might deter some, but if you're after a product that truly performs, it's worth considering. I highly recommend it to anyone looking to up their mascara game. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to check the link in the comments for easy access to purchase. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.